Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already know the model, now act. First, confirm the exact HP model and the operating system so you download matching drivers. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and on a stable internet connection. Drivers can be large. Open HP Support Assistant or navigate the support section for your model. Once there, select drivers and downloads and choose the operating system. This narrows results so you only see compatible files. Start with chipset and audio drivers first so the system remains stable. Now you'll download and install. Choose drivers in order. Chipset first, then graphics, audio, and network so dependencies install correctly. Click each driver's download link and prefer the full exe installer for simpler installation. Once downloads finish, run them as administrator so they can update system files. Follow on-screen prompts and accept defaults unless you need custom options. If an installer asks to reboot, make sure to complete reboots between major driver installs to avoid conflicts. Finish by verifying everything works. Open Device Manager and look for any devices with warnings. That tells you which drivers need attention. Run HP Support Assistant's Update Scan and then Windows Update to capture any Microsoft distributed driver patches. Test critical functions: Wi-Fi, audio, camera, and display. If something breaks, roll back the driver from Device Manager or use System, restore to revert to a previous point. One key tip: if a new driver causes instability, boot to safe mode and uninstall the problematic driver immediately to restore system stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.